SVR, KIS 26. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Flagler County in northeastern Florida, south central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Marion County in northern Florida, Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near San Mateo or near Andalusia, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palatka, Vernal, Crescent City, Interlaken, Pomona Park, East Palatka, Andalusia, Lake Delancey, Fruitland, and Melrose Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
You didn't add a hail
Move
to it,
indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Yeah,
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Crescent Lake or the St. Johns River, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Serving day. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has
Where you at,
issued a
Melbourne?
severe thunderstorm
Where you at,
warning
Melbourne?
for Putnam
Where you at,
County
Melbourne?
in northeastern Florida until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm
They literally issued it for all of Putnam.
at 5 miles per
All of Putnam.
hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
For
radar
the
indicated.
northeast, so Melbourne won't be
Impact,
safe.
hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palatka, Crescent City, Interlaken, Pomona Park, East Palatka, Melrose, Georges Lake, Fruitland, Flora Home, and Bostwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Serving.
I'm getting it on my HH. Gosh, this hurts.
Over Fort St. John, moving northeast at 10 knots. Strong downflow boundaries are also moving through Mount Island. Outflows will likely gust above 30 knots.
Okay, even my HH is small, but I have huge hands. Yeah, come on, Melbourne. Join the SVR gang. Like, what they're saying. Join the SVR gang.
Waves are expected.
1050
A
hertz.
thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Marion County. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles southeast of Wilmington, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. thunderstorm wind gusts, frequent lightning, and torrential downpours. A moderate risk of rip currents is expected at each heat advisory in effect from 11 a.m. this
Not much to GX because there's
Spend time outside. When possible, reschedule. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Marion County. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Lynn to Nero Airport, moving south at 60 miles an hour wind gusts and north-side hail. Source, radar damage to roofs, siding. Locations impacted Ocala, Rainbow Lakes Estates, Fort McCoy, Juniper Springs, Citra, Lynn, Anthony, Silver Springs, Shores, and Santos. Room on the lowest floor of a building. Immediately large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from wind. Storms and flooding. Do not drive your has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Lake County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Foodland Park or near Lake Griffin and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Eustis, Tavares, Lady Lake, and Mount Dora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Melbourne. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately, leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Marion, Florida. Flooded. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Orange County and East Central Florida until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located west of Orlando International Airport and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando International Airport, Conway, Oak Ridge, and Delisle. your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Melbourne. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Big cat.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The weather.
Let's see how it sounds from here.
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other
I
hazards.
tested as soon as I was getting
Tests
it.
are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again
11:02,
between 6
not
and 8
bad.
p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Your weather out. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Okay, we
a
do
severe
need battery
thunderstorm
storm.
capable of
Wait,
producing water
a
spouts was-
severe thunderstorm?
The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard, water spouts.
If it's severe,
Knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize
Can, again.
damage vessels and create locally hazardous seas.
We need batteries for my
All
EAR
life
10.
jackets.
Is it?
Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Oak Hill, Eldora, Apollo Beach, Turtle Mound, and Shiloh. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The 5 media reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Ward area. Between 2.5 and 3.5.
Oh god, here we go.
Flash flooding is ongoing.
Man, I wish this was the flash flood warning for Lee.
Alright,
I'm trying to relay stuff right now, so I'm just
Flagler
gonna...
County in northeastern
this.
Florida, southeastern Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake George, or 7 miles northwest of Pearson, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crescent City and Andalusia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a Building.
Gateway, and Suncoast Estates. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Serving. Flood warning for the following counties in Florida, Flagler and Putnam. Flood warning in effect until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where a portion of east of Florida, including the following counties, Flagler, Putnam, and St. John's. When until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Crescent City, Pomona Park, East Palatka, San Mateo, Fruitland, Willaca, Lake Como, and Georgetown. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood warning for the following county, Flagler, Florida. Flood warning in effect until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where a portion of northeast of Florida, including the following county, Flagler. When until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
It's 3:32.
Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Grinnell, and Beverly Beach. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Marine weather statement.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central
Hi,
Flagler
Jacksonville.
County in northeastern Florida, south central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Palm Coast, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Coast, Grinnell, and Espanola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement.
Okay. You said the storm's moving south and it's near Palm Coast. Looking at some previous flash flood warnings issued by Melbourne for entertainment. If it's moving south, I don't think it'll enter Volusia, but... And it's moving away from the marine zone anyway, so just in case Melbourne, decides to go cuckoo.
Thunderstorms and a flood.
Just gonna put that on KRX63. ER 310.
Flood warning for the following county, Flagler, Florida. Flood warning in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Daylight Time this evening.
What?
What? Flooding caused by
Why did I
excessive
have a
rainfall
feeling
is
this was gonna
expected.
happen?
Where? A portion of northeast of Florida, including the following county: Flagler. When? Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Great, now
Time.
this is EAS
Impact:
629, I
flooding
believe,
of rivers,
if I'm counting
creeks,
correctly.
streams, and
I'm
other
so
low-lying and
behind.
flood-prone
I need
locations
to
is
start
imminent
editing.
or occurring. Additional details. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Meanwhile, we have
Locations that will
Melbourne here
experience
issuing a
flooding
flood
include
warning
Palm
for 4 to
Coast,
6
Funal,
inches.
Marineland, and Espanola.
I know they have an exact criteria.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Tropical.
Beach rain warning!
Romeo, you're supposed to be getting this on your phone. I did. Oh shoot! That was insane. My ear has activated
The
insane.
National
And
Weather
my
Service in
V15 just got
Jacksonville
new
has issued a
batteries.
special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20
Oh
nautical
my
miles.
god, there's a
Waters
flash
from
flood warning
St.
for
Augustine to
Hillsborough.
Flagler
Ruskin,
Beach, Florida, from
congratulations.
150 nautical
Congratulations.
miles
But I'm
until 5:50
recording a
p.m.
marine
Eastern
warning because,
Daylight
you know,
Time.
Jacksonville just
At
wants
4:14
to,
p.m.
you know,
Eastern Daylight
they
Time,
want to step
a
in.
strong thunderstorm was
That's
located
fine.
near Marineland, or 11 nautical miles northeast of Palm Coast, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. The short
Before I get into this, I just want to say this isn't exactly my first flash flood warning. Back on EAS number 100, I got a flash flood warning on KC61, but this is my first flash flood warning on my actual weather radios, and I was pretty excited because it is my first one. So, without further ado, prepare to hear Rosafety screaming at his quote-unquote first flash flood warning.
Flood warning! Flash flood warning for both! Oh my gosh! Yes! My first time of W! Oh my gosh! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Yes!
flood warning.
Oh my gosh!
Florida.
Yo!
Weather Service in Tampa Bay Ruskin
What?
a flash flood warning for
Yo!
County and Central
Oh
Florida
my
at
gosh!
4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Yes!
4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh!
Doppler indicated thunderstorms
Yes!
producing heavy rain across
Yes!
the area. Between 3
Oh
and 6
my
inches of rain have
gosh!
fallen.
Yes!
Additional rainfall amounts up
Let's
to 1 inch are
go!
possible in the warned area.
Oh
Flash
my
flooding is
gosh!
ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Yes! Let's go!
Impact:
I'm literally shaking right now.
and streams,
Oh
urban
my
areas,
gosh!
highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and
Yes!
low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Point Siena.
Oh my
Turn around.
gosh!
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood
repeating
warning has
statement,
been issued
too.
until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Florida.
Yes! Yes!